Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hope still hoping to win.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trice, and this is WillWorkForHeels TV, the lifestyle of me, a teacher, a foodie, and a lifestyle content creator. Happy Saturday. This is like the first Saturday in a while that I've been able to sleep in and just really take in the morning. I had some coffee. It's been very relaxing because for the last probably month or so, I feel like I've been on go constantly. So it was really nice to just kind of have a slow morning. But today, or this weekend rather, I have plans to like deep clean my house. I have friends coming to visit me from out of town next weekend, so I just want to make sure everything is nice and in place for them. But right now I'm getting ready to go meet my good friend Crystal. We're taking my godson and his little brother to the circus, so let's go check that out. Baby! The baby! No. Oh, look who's being jealous.
You always hungry. You always hungry.
I want chips.
You want chips?
Maybe when we get in the car.
He saw Gigi eating chips. Now he wants some chips.
He gonna bite you again. He gonna bite you. You keep on. I told you.
Is that gonna spin me?
Yeah, he's gonna bite you.
First, let me get that. 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 Get that. Get that. Get that. First, let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that.
What is that on fire?
It is, whatever it is like on fire. What is that? Is that a car?
Oh my God. Is it? Ooh. I see the fire truck. I can't tell, it's so much smoke. Oh my goodness.
No, it's a building. It's big. You gotta sit in the big boy spot.
This one?
Okay, then you gotta be a good boy.
It's so hard.
Okay, I mean the whole pizza is hot. You want chicken?
So the circus was a bust. So online they said that the circus was like $14, but when we got there, they said that it was $60. And my friend was like, no, I'm not paying $60 to go to the circus. So we ended up taking the boys to get pizza instead. Sorry, y'all. And now I'm getting ready to, so I have a lot of collabs that I'm working on, which is so awesome. The month of January was a great start to this year for me. I have a lot of brand collabs that I'm working on in the next few weeks. So I'm getting ready to head over to this place called the Purple Mangrove, and then have a party that I'm going to later. It's a pink party. I don't have anything pink, so I might have to repeat something. So this week I have a lot of fun food stuff happening. So Mayday Ice Cream is opening up another location in Nocatee, and I did a vlog a little while ago, and Mayday was featured in that vlog. They opened a location at the town center at that time, so this one is on a completely different side of town. And then afterwards, we're heading over to Catullos, which is like the best Italian restaurant in town. This is their second location, I believe. So I'm really excited about that because their food is so good, y'all. If you like Italian food and you live in Jacksonville or you're coming to Jacksonville, Catullos, that's the only option that I would recommend. And then later on this week, I'm really excited to go to Purple Roots. It's a Filipino restaurant. They're starting a new thing where they have this large spread of food that can feed up to 6 people, I believe. So you have a party or, you know, a get together. This would be perfect for that. And I'm really excited because I love Filipino food, okay? Lumpia, pancit, all things. So I'm really excited to check this out. I know it's going to be so good. And what else do I have going on this week? I'm just going to continue cleaning because I told you guys my friends are coming next weekend. So I have to get the house ready for guests. So yeah, that's it for now. So I will catch you guys back up a little bit later when I get ready to head to the birthday party. Cheers.
I'm a rolling stone. I'm too high for you to own. And the wicked meant to speed. If I hurt you, would you leave? I learned the game from some heavyweights. Catching buses, making change from another place.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the birthday party, and this is giving Barbie Party 2.0. Because if you saw my video from the Barbie party last fall, I wore this bow top. But listen, I don't have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, and the theme tonight is pink. So I just changed my bottoms and threw on this top. We're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm getting ready to head out. I am already so late. But I was like really exhausted after I got back from hanging out with my godson, but I'm gonna push my way there because I said I would be there. So let's get on out of here and I will catch you guys up at the party.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m.
I am super extra late, but I'm here.
For your fucking air. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress. So bring your ass up on them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it.
We can book a flight.
Plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. You nigga can't compete, I swear. Ain't trapping now, it ain't too weird, baby. I'm coming slide by 8 p.m.
Hey guys, So right before the new year, I ordered a bunch, well not a bunch, but 3 pairs of glasses online. And all 3 of them finally came in as of today. So I'm gonna show you guys. And the first pair is from Easy Contacts, and it's Gucci frames. So let's try it on and see what they're looking like. So these are the frames. And it was really easy to order online. You just type in your prescription and a couple of other things, and then you just pick the frames that you want. And that's it, and you pay for it. So here are the first pair. They have, that's what they look like. I wanted just a simple pair of black frames because the ones that I have are colorful, and I just wanted something simple. So cute. Now my next 2 pairs of frames came from Vint in York, and I've heard really good things about Vint in York. One of my favorite seasoned fashion bloggers, her name is Roz. She wears Vint in York glasses all the time, and they look so good on her. I think she's the reason why I decided to check out Vint in York to get me a couple of pairs of frames. So the first pair look like this. I love. Oh, I hope they got my prescription right. Ooh, and just looking at these, they're quality. These glasses are definitely quality. They should be because they cost a pretty penny. But here we go. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think these might be my faves. And last but not least, I got a pair of sunglasses. I didn't put a prescription in them though because I wear my contacts more than I wear my glasses. So I thought it would be kind of defeating the purpose to get a prescription in the sunglasses, but that was an option. So I just ordered a pair of sunglasses, and these really caught my eye. So I hope I love them as much in person as I have online. So here we go. Ooh, and I do. I love these. I love the gradient effect from the dark to the light. Oh, these are fabulous. Ooh. Come through Vint in York. This will not be the last time that I order with them. They have so many cute frames. And it ranges with price, but they have some really great frames. Both sunglasses, regular frames, blue light blocking sunglasses, and prescription glasses, or just regular blue light blocking glasses. So yeah, definitely check out Vint in York. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but if Vint in York happens to see this, you know, hit your girl up. All right, y'all. That was my mini glasses haul. That wasn't supposed to be a haul. Well, I mean, I guess a haul is when you share it. So, my haul.
I took that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you talking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me, no problem. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you need some.
Dear summer, I know you gon' miss me. For we've been together like night airs and crisp teas. S-dots with polo fleeces. Purple label shit with the logo secret. Give me a couple years, shit, I might just sneak in. A couple words like peace and herb. we be reunited and it feels so hood. How the whole world saying I still so good. Well, I do this in my slumber summer. I ain't none of these half-ass newcomers. You know how I do summer. I drop heat when you bring the sun up. The combo make niggas act up. I pick the gun up. Niggas back up. They know I'm not no fronter. I don't talk shit. I just flip an onion.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Y'all enjoy.
And y'all look at mine. Ooh man, this is the one they said to get. Okay, this is the. Okay, remind me again. What is
Hair peachy.
This is the. Ooh yeah. Woo. Thank you. Those yellows. Done to perfection.
And there's some sugar for you right here. Y'all enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Long for a video once a week.
Look, started out hopeless, start touching road, now I'm over focused. Now my flow the coldest, I mean that shit, then I ain't just trolling. Pocket full of green, ain't got enough, I ain't got enough. Need that baby money till my niggas lifting bottles up. I'm like, welcome to the good life. I came from top rhyming where it's banging if it's cooked right. Added hot dogs and sardines, looking back it was all green. And I'm finna seize the day, I'm feeling like Cardeem. This new whip, I got a rocket, I'm looking like Hakeem. Elijah want me, I wonder what y'all seen. Me, myself, and I, self-efficient, I'm too extreme. Took the road, less travel, them lights, it's all green. Hold up. Yeah. 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 Even good things. Yeah. Yeah. Look, even good things. I don't think I'm better, I'm just hurt that homie switched on me. Said I'm younger than been calling me the big homie. In the land of snakes, I'm like Moses with this stick on me. I'm the chosen one, don't forget, homie. Look, dropping these songs weekly. Money coming in, ain't from the streets, it's clean squeaky. Working after hours, hella hard, so you can't reach me. 50 songs in, now it's getting hella easy.
Hey guys, so I'm popping in to end the vlog. I have been having an allergy flare up. The pollen is super high in Jacksonville right now, so my nose is like so itchy. But anyways, I'm upstairs in my loft area. Remember when I put up the wallpaper? I am in love with it. I'm still changing things here and there in this room, but I moved out the desk, so it opened up a lot of the space. So I'm gonna be working on this you know, piece by piece, and I will share with you guys as I complete it. But to end the vlog, the Boodle flight, that's what that was that you guys saw at Purple Roots, was amazing. Okay, we had so much food and we could not eat all of it, of course, but they gave us plates to go home with, and I was able to enjoy Filipino food for a couple of days, so that was really great. And Catullos was amazing. Like I mentioned earlier, if you like Italian food, then you should definitely hit up Catullos. They used to be a food truck, and now they have 2 brick and mortars, which is awesome for them because their food is top notch. In Mayday, it's consistent across the board. So every place that I went to in this vlog was pretty darn good. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. I'm really excited for next week because my girls are coming in town and we have the Galentine's soiree, which I know is going to be so beautiful because the last 2 years have been really, really beautiful. So I know that this is going to be even better because every year outdoes the year before. And so I'm really excited about that. But if you watched this video to the end, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.